Welcome back student. In this video we are going to understand about the page background and if I want to give any image or let's say any one particular color or texture pattern in the background of the page, you need to go to page layout, then go for page color. In the page color there are plenty of color option. You can see you can give that. There are more color option, click on more color, and from here you can do the selection of color according to your requirement. Apart from this, you may go for fill effects. There are plenty of effects like gradient style, one color option, two color option. In two color, let's say in color 1 I am selecting this one, and in color 2 I am selecting this one. And from center, if I am doing the selection, then you can see whatever option you want to give. Let's say I have selected this one. Okay, so it's coming. Even there is a preset option like nightfall or horizon, from center once again, or diagonal down. However, if you are not happy with all these options, you may go for various texture pattern also, or pattern. Here you can do the selection of foreground and background color, and accordingly you can do the selection from here. If you want to give any image, go to picture, select the image that you want to give, click on OK. That's going to come. If you want to remove, then simply go for no color option. So this is how to give color or any image in the background. Next we are going to understand is the page border. If you want to give a border in this page, then you need to click on page border. There are various options, which is like box, shadow effect, 3D or custom. Let's say I'm going for box. From here you can select the type of line you want to give. Let's say I made a selection of this. From here you can make a selection of the color. I have selected this one. From here you can select the width. So this is the width, which is okay, but I am selecting 4.5. From here you can give the artifact. If I'm going to do the selection of artifact, then all the options that I have selected, that will vanish. So not right now. I have selected, I have given the options, and click on OK. So you can see the borders are coming. I'm going here once again. In the shadow effect, a bit of shadow will come. In the 3D effect, it's not going to make much impact in fact. However, in the custom effects, it's important. Let's say I don't want a line from this and this side, so I can click over here and I can remove the line. Click on OK. You can see accordingly in the customized manner it's coming. If you want to remove it, you need to click on none and click on OK. However, if you want to give the border to just one paragraph, do the selection of paragraph, go for page border. Here it is page border, just beside that there is a border option. Go to border option. Here it is given apply to paragraphs, select the box. Here you can do the selection of style, color and width. However, I have not selected any of this, and click on OK, so it's coming. If you want to remove it, once again go here, go to border and select the none option, click on OK. That's it. So this is how page background means page in the background. If you want to give any image or color, or if you want to give any border, these are the options. So this is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.